Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to set up a profile picture on your Hostinger business email, then this video for you. So first, access your Hostinger email account. Now, begin by going to the Hostinger website and log in with your registered credentials. If you haven't already created an account, go through the registration process to create your Hostinger account. Then go to your email settings. After you log in, you will be brought to your email box to look for the gear symbol or the settings button, which is usually situated in the top right corner of the screen. This icon will open the settings menu for your email account. Now find your profile and account settings. Browse the choices in the settings menu until you reach the area for your profile or account settings. This section may be branded differently based on platform upgrades or changes, but it is often where you may adjust your personal information, display settings, and other account options. Upload your profile picture. In the account settings, look at the profile pictures or avatar option. There should be a button or link labeled upload photo or change picture. When you select this option, a file dialog box opens, allowing you to select an image from your device. Choose a clear, high quality photograph that is the correct size and format. To avoid blurring or distortion, make sure that the image is well lit and has the appropriate resolution. Save your changes. After selecting the image you want to use, click the Save or Apply or Confirm option. This completes the modifications and updates your profile image. Your updated photo should now be accessible in your Hostinger email account. Now, tips for choosing the right profile picture. First, you have to choose a professional image. Then optimal size and resolution. Make sure that you have optimal size and resolution, perfect resolution that is less than 1 MB, but the quality is perfect and ideal. So you can just avoid the blurry or distortion issue on your profile picture. Then clear, simple, and recognizable. So for a business email account, you must need to add a clear, simple, professional, and recognizable image. Don't use any fancy image, so that won't look like a professional. Consistent branding across platforms. So using professional profile pic photo requires consistency. Whenever you use email, LinkedIn, or other social media outlets, try to use the same image on all of them. This increases brand awareness and ensures a consistent online presence. So if you are the face of your firm, using the same profile photo everywhere promotes trust and professionalism. If you use a logo, make sure it is scaled and cropped to meet each platform's image requirements. Consider your audience, consider who will be viewing your profile photo and adjust it accordingly. So, and expression and body language also. So your facial expression and body language matter. For more professional profiles, a friendly yet natural expression is ideal. Smiling conveys approachability without appearing overly casually. You can avoid overly serious or exaggerated facial expression, as they may unintentionally communicate the wrong tone. Additionally, posture play a role. A confident, upright posture can convey professionalism, while slouching may signal a lack of confidence. Lighting and background. You have to add a light or properly lit image with a perfect attractive background that can show your professionalism. Image alignment and framing. So make sure that the framing is perfect as for professional photo. Test across devices. You can test it across different types of device like phones, tablets, and desktop. Then see if the size is perfect or not. Then avoid highly edited or filtered photographs. So don't actually use highly edited, color changed, or color graded or filtered photo with different types of anti-filters. So it actually impact you it actually make a bad impact on your profile picture or your professionalism. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.